If you've been experiencing tightness on the front side of your hip or into your psoas or even a pulling into the low back, it's often because of a really tight psoas on the front side of the body, which then wraps down into the rectus femoris, also known as the quadricep muscle. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do a standing lunge expansion to create space on the front side of your body to help you get out of this forward, tight, compressed position. And another benefit to this is you're gonna be really able to create strength in your body as well as decrease the pulling on your low back. So what I want you to do first is start with the right leg forward, left leg back. So whatever leg is back is gonna be the involved side of this stretch. As you notice, I'm up on my back toe, and my back toe is gonna be rotated forwards towards my front foot. So this is gonna be different than a standing warrior's pose in which that leg is out at a perpendicular angle. If we're in this position, you really don't have that much range of motion. So I wanna make sure that back foot is rotated forwards towards your front foot. Here, I'm gonna come up on my back toe as much as possible, and I'm gonna stick my pubic bone forwards. When my pubic bone comes forwards, it creates length on that hip flexor muscle, which wraps up into your diaphragm. So because of that, we're gonna create space with our breath. So I'm gonna reach my hands all the way up, creating space, and then take a huge breath in. And then as I breathe out, I'm gonna pull my back foot down towards the ground. So coming all the way up when I breathe in, create space, and then as I breathe out, pull that heel all the way down to the ground. A couple different variations. If I come up, I can squeeze my feet towards each other, which creates an engagement of the back side of my front leg and the front side of my back leg. So I can squeeze things together and then do the same thing as I breathe in and then pull that heel down to the ground. Feel that stretch on the front side of the body, come all the way up. I could also think about engaging my hands. So as if I have a hook and I'm hooking my hands onto that hook, as I pull my heel down to the ground, I'm not letting my hands move, which then is going to create a space on the whole side of my body as well. You can do a slight rotation to the side or lateral flexion, but I ultimately like just going straight ahead here. Another variation for you to do this is to get more of the quadricep muscle involved. So in this position, up on my back toe, I can stick my pubic bone forwards, and then as I breathe out, I'm gonna drop my knee down towards the ground. Not quite all the way to the ground, but if I feel this, I'm mostly getting a stretch on the front side of my quad here, which those muscles wrap up and interconnect with the psoas, which wraps up, interconnects with the diaphragm and the front side of your low back vertebra, and then coming all the way back up, and then you can switch legs. So that is a standing lunge expansion to create space in the whole front side of your body, as really help you strengthen your body as well. I hope you found this useful. My name is Dr. Jordan Fairley here at the Source Chiropractic. I would love to hear any comments or feedback or questions that you have. You can put them below. I hope that this has empowered you in your journey to health and greater levels of expression.